How you doing? Not too bad. Got her over in the shipping containers over here.
Oh, okay.
I don't know if you want to maybe just drive over. Like, see, there's two shipping containers. There's a driveway over there.
Oh, okay.
I don't know, you just pull in there and
okay.
right on. Oh, she's an icicle out today, boys. No good. Frozen water down, no good. Another guy was supposed to come for parts from 4 hours away, but he's supposed to be here a while ago, and she's pretty slick, so I don't think he's coming. Couple of tripping hazards, not too bad.
Right? It's like my place.
Right on. This guy's got a
That looks nice and easy.
little pin on the top there. I don't know if you want to grab that out of there so it doesn't just get lost.
Yeah. Perfect.
Something like that.
Great, thank you, sir.
Right on, man. Much obliged.
What here? What's going?
Keeping her safe?
Oh yeah, of course, man. Yeah. See.
Yeah.
I'm keeping them safe. Yeah.
Holy, it looks cold out.
Yeah, it's a little chilly, but it's almost easier to do when it's cold because all the metal's brittle, right?
Yeah.
So it snaps off easier. So these ones are all steel on the inside.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm leaving those for a bit now. And these are pain in the ass, obviously, to get ratchets on. You know?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah. But
You need like a plier. You almost need like a plier for that.
Yeah. What, my hands?
Yeah, I mean, if these cores are metal, then just fucking it, right?
It's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay.
But if they're aluminums,
Yeah. Aluminum.
keep those kind.
Yeah. There's one on the inside of this. I have no fucking idea, but I'm pretty sure that's
Yeah,
still
that's all copper. It's all copper pipes anyway, right?
Yeah. Okay, so that one I should probably just do that one in the copper tube. Fuck.
Yeah, in the bin over there.
Yeah. Perfect.
Right on.
Alright, cool.
Do you want breakfast?
I'm good for breakfast.
Right on.
Alright, yeah.
All right. Well, we'll probably be.
Yeah, just let me know when. Safety's #1 priority, right?
Roger. Well, usually it's third on the list.
What's that?
Usually it's third on the list.
Oh fuck. So how many accidents we can fucking fall behind today?
Right.
Fuck. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's gonna be as bad. People are fucking dumb. Driving is fucking hard for them.
Oh, big time. Put the fucking air cigars in, like if you go this, the air compressor comes on and it reads in the gauge here. And then this one here is like the airbag, so you can like put
Lift the fucking nice. Nice. How long you been wanting to do that?
Well, I've always had it, you know, all my trucks I put it on. I've had this truck for a couple of years and haven't done it yet, so I got, fuck, the back end feels all like fuck. Because usually I'm running at 60 psi all the time because I just have to fill it with a, you know, air compressor.
Yeah. All feels like poofy now.
Yeah,
Pillow.
it's all soft and shit.
Nice.
Luxurious.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, that was before. It's
Yeah.
We're right in the cusp of her, boys. They're starting to block it off right there, so that's
finally.
good.
I don't think she likes you calling up on her like that. You gotta be getting close to the ceiling. Peterbilt's using the shoulder again.
Oh, yeah, I love Peters.
Go Peter!
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Oh, you f***ing, oh, you.
Oh,
That's
fuck.
Here we go. Here we go. Look at this, boys.
Oh, shit, dudes. No. What in the f are you doing? Oh.
For one car?
Oh, mother lard.
For one fucking car?
Oh, mother lard.
You gotta take up 2 fucking lanes for one car?
Oh, dear. Maybe Buddy perished. Maybe it's one of those ones where Buddy perished.
One car.
Oh, yeah, Buddy perished. For sure. Buddy's f***ing on the way to Spankies.
Wow.
Big investigatory investigations. Oh, fuck.
Oh, you got the fucking SWAT team.
Yeah. There they are.
There's the SWAT team.
Friggin' Policia Investigation Unit.
Yeah.
Policia
I think you're
Investigation
going the wrong way,
Unit.
though.
Oh, they're probably gonna turn around. Policia Investigation Unit.
Going the wrong way?
Yeah, Mr. Turnby. Mr. Turn off face. Policia Investigation.
Oh,
Just
are they going somewhere else?
Giving her. Yeah, they got other things to do.
I guess they do have other things to do.
What's that?
It's a little banged up.
Right on. No worries. What the f do you want?
You mind if I ask for some help?
Remember when I was asking for help with the truck the other day?
Yeah, I can take a look at it.
Oh, funny that.
Do you mind,
What?
well, the tire's locking up on the front on this. The rubber's actually making contact with the upper control arm.
What are you doing with it? Dragging it over here?
No, we're just trying to back it up because my buddy's supposed to be buying it. He wants the cab and the frame and everything for his truck. Problem is now we got it forward, but that tire is locking up, so we're gonna see, since you had this out, if maybe you could use this to just help us push it back.
Where are you pushing it to?
Just to the side of the house. Just that he can just pick it up at the trailer and he's not going on your driveway or anything.
Side of the house?
Just
There's
basically
a red,
where the car
there's a red
is
car
now.
there.
Yeah.
That red car?
Yeah.
Where that red car is?
Yeah.
Just smash it, zero f***s.
Mm. Would you mind giving us a hand?
Oh, I don't care.
All right.
No, you owe me.
I know. Now there's no. There's
Oh,
no
you owe me anyways, big time.
no rack opinion on it. You gotta manually turn the wheels.
I'll just lift it up.
Hoćemo mi dati ovu plastiku da ponesem?
He's asking if you can get the plastic under there too.
Sure.
Yeah.
Hoće da odmah platim.
Do you want him to pay right now?
Yeah.
Make sure you don't drop screws on the ground too, please.
Okay, nemoj šarafe spadaju napad.
Ja, dobro.
Yeah.
Mi kad zavrnemo, mi ćemo, kad skinemo, mi ćemo ići već. Trebamo ćemo ga zvati.
When we take it off, we'll leave, yeah?
Sure.
Yeah.
Just make sure you shut the hood when you're done.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. A fucking tractor. It's like a fucking wood chipper with tracks. Good lord. Oh shit. I apologize. I didn't see you there.
Oh shit.
What do you got going on? I found something. Check those out.
Oh, fantastic.
Signal smooth.
Oh, nice.
And send signals. Smoke signals.
signals.
Eh?
Yeah. Okay.
Holy f***. Okay, did a little rearranging.
A little bit, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it hardly f***ing stinks in here. Oh!
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Just a little dish of tablets, no big deal.
Yeah, yeah.
That's perfect.
No, no, suspicious.
Yeah. Just have like just a sample every once in a while. It's like a candy dish. It's like a candy dish only for It's like a hobo candy dish, basically. Okay? Just come in and have a tablet.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay?
For sure. While you're waiting. Oh, shit.
Oh, did you bring a default?
Yeah, drill.
Holy shit.
Yeah, there's a fucking, little zipper. Oh, yeah.
Holy mine's on fire. Oh shit, my phone. Where the f did that go? That's good. I probably dropped that on the ground.
Oh, God. Don't
That'd
do
be
that,
great.
man.
I better go find that, but
Oh, yeah. Oh.
careful. Oh, there it is. Look it. Found it. My twatter box is not functioning as it should.
Good. Got a little neck.
Oh no.
Yeah, yeah. Still a little tiny one.
Compensation.
Oh, yeah, yeah. It was WSIB.